Hello and welcome to our podcast. I'm Vicky Short and I have with me Matthew Tannahill. Hello Matthew.
Hi Vicky.
Thank you for joining me today. We're going to be talking about Scottish Apprenticeship Week, and the theme for Scottish Apprenticeship Week 2023 is Unlocking Potential. This week we'll reflect on how apprenticeships can help individuals to unlock their potential and develop the skills and knowledge required for a rewarding career, and help businesses to develop a talented workforce that is equipped with skills for the future. I'm going to be asking former apprentice electrician Matthew some questions to hear about his first-hand experience of being an apprentice at Balfour Beatty. Matthew, could you introduce yourself, your full name, your roles and the project you're currently working on, please?
So I am Matthew Tannahill. I'm an electrician working on the Motherwell Station redevelopment project.
Thank you. And when did you join Balfour Beatty and what was your route into becoming an apprentice?
I joined Balfour Beatty in September 2017. My dad was an apprentice with Balfour Beatty many years ago. It was a route that I had a keen interest to maybe follow his pathway.
Excellent. So you're following in your dad's footsteps.
Yep.
And can you tell me a bit about what a normal day at work looks like for you, and what are some of the key activities that you get involved with?
So every day in the morning starts with a daily activity briefing. That goes through the key activities that we'll be doing that day, and the key risks and safety hazards, and what the control measures are to prevent those. That then we each get set our tasks for the day. Usually it involves some sort of cable installation. Then those cables have to be tested. It usually involves working at height as well, such as cherry pickers and scissor lifts. And that's something I've really enjoyed doing.
Excellent, thank you. The theme of this year's Scottish Apprenticeship Week is unlocking potential. In what ways do you feel your potential has or will be developed through your role?
I think from an early stage in my apprenticeship, I showed my keenness and willing to learn, and I was given lots of responsibility early on, which I think helps to build your confidence when you know someone trusts you to do your job when before you've even completed your apprenticeship. So I think once you do get to the end of your apprenticeship, it makes you more rounded.
You've had lots of support during your apprenticeship.
Yes, lots of support and being given lots of responsibility, and I think that really helps build your confidence.
Perfect. And now that you're qualified and you've come through your apprenticeship, what are your career ambitions now? And where do you see yourself in, say, 10 years' time?
My career ambitions are to just build on my apprenticeship, everything it's taught me, and I would like to go into project management, and I can definitely see myself in the next 10 years getting to that level.
And do you know the route that you would take to get there?
Yeah, so you'd become a project engineer first, and learn all about project management and that role as a more junior position, and then obviously become a project manager.
Okay, sounds good. Excellent. And can you tell me what is the best piece of advice you received as an apprentice?
I've received lots of good advice, but I think the best bit is that there's always a way to do something, and never to give up.
Never give up. I think that's excellent. And a perfect way to probably bring our podcast to a close and hopefully give some inspiration to some of the other apprentices out there. So thank you very much for joining me, Matthew.
You're very welcome. Thanks for having me.